One Goldwood Sound GW-5028, S shielded 5.25 woofer, 70 watts RMS and 130 watts max, 62 to 9000 Hz frequency response, 85 decibels SPL, 8 ohm. One aluminum voice coil, 16 ounces magnet, poly mica cone with rubber surround, fully shielded. Stamped steel frame, overall size is 5.5, fits enclosure hole size of 4.5, mounting depth is 2.75, designed and engineered in the USA. Use for Pro DJ speakers, Pro PA speakers, Pro karaoke speakers, live sound speakers, fixed installation speakers, studio monitors and home audio speakers. This listing and price is for one Goldwood GW-5028, S Pro audio woofer. This Goldwood Sound 8 ohm 5.25-inch driver has a max wattage of 130 watts and is designed and engineered right here in the USA. This woofer features a 16 ounces shielded magnet with rubber surround and poly mica cone. This woofer is a high-end, pro audio transducer optimized for all musical instrument, DJ, car audio and professional applications. Top reviews from the United States. Works as described. I used this to replace a blown speaker in my discontinued Klipsche bookshelf speaker. I am not an audiophile, so maybe someone would notice a difference, but beats the heck out of shelling out another $400 for a new set of speakers. Had to modify the housing a little, but no big deal, I knew that would happen.